This tutorial shows you how to use Madeira Easy Stick-On efficiently. This one-sided self-adhesive embroidery backing stabilizes cutouts and fabrics that cannot be framed, such as pockets, socks, and collars. Prepare all necessary materials. Cut or select a piece of stick-on larger than the frame. We recommend using a large hoop to process multiple garments without hooping each piece separately. Ensure that the entire textile is on the frame. Hoop with the protective paper facing up. To expose the adhesive, carefully score an X pattern with a foil cutter or the tip of a pin and remove the paper inside the hoop area. Position the garment and press to adhere where the design is to be embroidered. You can mark the spot parallel to the machine's running direction so that you can place the next garment in the same position. To remove the backing, gently fold in each direction to minimize the amount of backing removed. Then tear away. Fill the hole from underneath the frame with a small piece of stick-on. Position the next garment and repeat the process. This way, you can embroider multiple pieces with only one hooping. When the layers of backing become too thick, hoop a new piece and continue. Find this and more videos at www.madeira.com/bestpractice.